Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to do a full grocery shop together. It's a beautiful day for it. Before we go shopping, let's take a look at the words we will learn in this video. Trolley, watermelon, eggplant, mushroom, lettuce, parsley, peach, grape, bakery, flatbread, extinguisher, thermos, jar. Before we head in, we need the most essential tool for any big shopping trip: a shopping cart. In American English, it's a shopping cart, while in British English, you'll often hear it called a trolley. Trolley. They mean the same thing. This one looks good and the wheels aren't squeaky. That's always a plus. All right, our empty shopping cart is ready. Let's go fill it up. Through the automatic doors we go. This store is a Tansash Gross, which is a type of hypermarket or wholesale club. That's why the space is so huge and you see products stacked so high. Look at that giant display of watermelons right at the entrance. These are all watermelons. Watermelon. The floor is clean. There are lots of people shopping with their families. It has a really bustling, lively atmosphere. Let's walk past the melons and see what vegetables are looking good today. Okay, let's start with a classic. This is a cucumber. Look how fresh and green it is. We use them in our classic shepherd's salad. I'm looking for one that's firm to the touch. Right next to the cucumbers, we have the eggplant. It has such a beautiful, deep purple skin. You might also know this as an aubergine, especially in the UK. Now let's walk over to the fruit section. The bananas. You can see from the little brown spots on the peel that these bananas are perfectly ripe and should be very sweet. They're great for a quick snack or for making banana bread when they get even riper. Let's grab this bunch. Okay, our cart is starting to get some color. Let's keep moving. So many different kinds of peppers and tomatoes. The variety here is fantastic. Let's see what's in these pre-packaged containers. Mushrooms. These are standard white button mushrooms. They're so versatile. You can put them in pasta, on pizza, or just fry them with butter and garlic. I think I'll make a creamy mushroom pasta this week, so these are a must-have. Now for our salad, we need some fresh greens. This is a head of lettuce. It looks so crisp, and the leaves are a vibrant green. A good salad needs a good base, and this lettuce will be perfect. And for some extra flavor, let's grab some fresh herbs. This is a bunch of parsley. Parsley. We use fresh parsley, as we call it, in almost everything. Salads, meatballs, garnishes. It just brightens up a dish. Okay, back to the fruit. Oh, these look amazing. This is a peach. In Turkey, the summer peaches are incredible. They're so fuzzy and have the most amazing sweet smell. And while we're here, let's get some grapes. This is a beautiful bunch of green grapes. They look so plump and juicy. Grape. Grape. A perfect healthy snack to have in the fridge. Okay. I think we have a great selection of fruits and vegetables. Our cart is looking very healthy. Now let's leave the produce section and explore the rest of this huge store. We're now in the aisle with long-life products. Let's grab some milk. This is a carton of milk. Now, I smell something wonderful. We must be near the bakery section. Bakery. You can see the bakers working behind the counter. Nothing beats the smell of fresh bread. Let's get a loaf of this whole wheat bread. It looks delicious. And oh, we have to get this. This is flatbread, specifically a type called lavash. It's very thin and soft, perfect for making durum, which is a classic Turkish wrap with meat or chicken. Flatbread. Okay, we've covered a lot of food. Let's venture into the non-food aisles for a moment. These big stores have everything. We're walking past the meat and cheese counters now, heading towards the household goods. This aisle has kitchenware, glassware, and other tools. And what's this on the end of the shelf? This is a fire extinguisher. It's bright red, so it's easy to see in an emergency. Extinguisher. Every public building is required to have a fire extinguisher like this for safety. Let's see what else is in this section. These are nice. This is a thermos. A thermos is an insulated bottle designed to keep your drinks hot or cold for a very long time. It's perfect if you want to take hot coffee to work or cold water to the beach. Thermos. And these are cute. This is a glass jar. I love the red and white polka dot lid. A jar like this is great for storing homemade jam, pickles, or other preserved foods. All right, our trip is almost over. We are on our last aisle. We can't leave a Turkish supermarket without picking up some tea. This is the most famous brand of black tea. We'll get a big bag to take home. Okay, our shopping is officially done. Phew, what a trip. Our shopping cart is full and we've explored so much of the store. But it's not over yet. Part 2 of the video will be out in a few days. Thanks so much for coming shopping with me today. I'll see you in the next video.